Hi, today we're at Shop 24 in downtown Omaha. And if you stumble upon Shop 24, this video will teach you how to do it. Okay, so first you choose what you want. Let's see, I want a Reese's peanut butter cup. Alright. Put the money in. So my dad's going to put in the money. And then I'm going to read the number to him. 1906. Here comes the machine. Alright, it's going to pick up the Reese's peanut butter cup. Here it goes. Now it's going to come out of the delivery bin. Here it goes.
Here it comes.
Wow, you got a Reese's peanut butter cup. I hope you learned how to do Shop 24 and that's how you do Shop 24. Bye.